This just in. This gentleman is announcing that you must hide your cords, hide your wires. The news coming after a lot of you are working from home or have children going to school virtually. This video is for you. Let's get organized.
What's up, Robin?
Hi everyone, welcome to Tools and Twists, your one-stop shop for home improvement and DIY projects, where we do a little until it becomes a lot. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome. Be sure to subscribe before you leave. Today we're going to be talking about easy and affordable cable management. Let's get started. Step 1, assess your space.
Hey, what happened?
Verify what do you need, what can you keep, what can you get rid of, clean and declutter. Step 2, swap out cords and wires. I don't recommend purchasing new cords if you don't need them, but if you have cords or wires that are shorter or longer that are best suited for your needs, go ahead and swap them out. Step 3, gather your supplies. I'm using a surge protector. My wireless accessories include a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard. I'm also using mounting tape, twist ties, and Velcro double stick tape. I'm also using a raceway, which is used to hide cords and cables. Step 4, execution. It's time to put everything together. First, we'll start by making sure that everything is unplugged. Safety first. Once we've done that, we'll go ahead and start clearing out the entire area so that we can devise a plan on how to organize the cables and cords. The first thing I chose to do was attach the power strip. It was important to do that because depending on where the item was placed on the desk, the cord needed to be able to reach the outlet. Next, I'm gathering the cords and placing twist ties around them. Depending on how many cords you have, you'll continue to repeat the process. I forgot to mention that I'm also using hooks that I attach to the back of the desk, and I'll be looping the cords to that so they will be less visible underneath the desk. I purchased this cable cover from IKEA. I don't know that it's meant for wires as large as the ones that I have, but it was something that I had purchased and I didn't feel like taking it back, so I figured, hey, I'll use it under the desk. Also, I was not able to use the cover because it wouldn't fit, but it still worked. I had to finagle it a little bit, but it took some trial and error just to figure out how to put the cords in order for it to be as functional as possible. So again, if you don't necessarily have to use a cable cover, but I would definitely recommend that if you're going to use a cable cover, that you get one that is specifically for the size cables or cords that you are utilizing. Once I was able to get the cords situated in the cable cover, I mounted it to the bottom of the desk. To hide the cables behind the PC and the modem, I took the double stick Velcro tape and attached all of the cords together. If at all possible, try to make the cords that will be visible as neat as possible. All I did was gather up the cord, the cord that was hanging from the power strip underneath the desk, and I gathered it together and put a twist tie on it and attached it to the leg of the desk. Now, to all my fellow DIYers who love to save money, I've got a bonus tip for you. You want to hear it? Here you go. Okay, so what you could do to save a lot of money is to use a piece of fiberboard or a thin piece of plywood and cut holes in it. You could simply attach it to the back of your desk. You could paint it. You could paper mache it. You could do whatever you like to it to make it look as pretty as possible, or visibly pleasing as possible. You've got options, but you don't even have to put holes in it. You can just attach it to the back of your desk and let all your plugs and wires fall behind it so that you don't even see them. So for those of us who are not as handy, we don't have to worry about cutting holes in anything. But again, you've got options. As promised, it's time for all the details on the giveaway. I'll be giving away a Logitech wireless mouse to one of you wonderful subscribers. And all you have to do in order to be eligible to win is you have to be a U.S. resident, You must subscribe to my channel. You must follow me on Instagram or Facebook and my blog. You must comment on and tag a friend on the timeline post titled Cable Management on Instagram or Facebook. DM me on Instagram or Facebook to let me know when you've completed your task so that you can be entered into the drawing. The giveaway ends on October 3rd at midnight. The winner will be announced the following day on October 4th at 12 o'clock p.m. Be sure to tell your friends so that they can tell their friends and we can have a giveaway, okay? Now, if I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm also going to throw in a wireless keyboard in addition to the wireless mouse. So I hope that you guys are excited. I hope that you are prepared and ready to have a great workspace. I hope that everything I shared with you today will help you to have a better space that makes you happy and makes you even more productive. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. All the information for the giveaway, as well as everything used in the video today, and all my social media information will be listed below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Tools and